Want to be a digital marketing manager? Then what will be your role?
Number 1 website developer. Number 2 SEO expert. Number 3 search engine marketing. Number 4 display advertiser. Number 5 social media marketing.
Number 6 email marketing. Number 7 content marketing. Number 8 mobile marketing. Number 9 affiliate marketing. Number 10 web analytics.
Number 11 online reputation management. Number 12 manage digital marketing agency. Do you want to start a digital marketing agency on your own? Do you want to know the top 10 highest paying digital marketing jobs in India? Come let us explore.
Digital media manager. Pay-per-click manager. CM or SEO specialist. Content strategist. E-commerce specialist. Brand marketing expert. Social media marketers.
Designation and salary in X-axis versus experience is given in Y-axis. Note, salary vary and it will change in future as well, so don't consider as a true representation of market. Please cross-check from your end.
So finally, for which designation you are targeting for? Kindly let me know in the comment box so that I can also know which position is the most lucrative one. Information sharing via comment box is also one kind of caring.